So this is my light activated robotic vehicle with a wide array of colorful wires that I did not get to solder. So over here we have the diagram for the circuit. So we have positive and positive, and it travels through the light transistor, and then it also splits off into parallel and travels through the transistor. And after the transistor comes the motor, which is then connected to ground. And then after the light or the photoresistor, it goes to the pot, which then goes to ground. So the way this works is the light increases the resistance of the photoresistor, and by increasing this resistance, it activates the transistor sort of gate that allows the current to flow to the motor and power up the motor to make the wheel spin. And then the pot, if you have it turned all the way down to zero resistance, the current will always flow through here and not go to the motor. But the higher you turn it up, the more likely the current is to want to travel through the transistor, so it'll open the gate depending on how high the resistance is of the pot, and it'll travel to the motor. So you can mess with and fiddle with the motor's power depending on how much light you give the photoresistor, or how high or how low you turn the pot. So I'm going to go over and turn the lights on. And then right now it's not moving because the pot is turned all the way down. But I'm going to slightly turn the pot on the left side, and now it's moving in a circle. And then if I turn the pot higher resistance, it spins even faster. And if I take it away from the light, or to less light, then it'll slow down. But over here, under this light source, it increases the resistance of the photoresistor and gives more it gives more current to the motor. And yeah, that is my light activated car, and that's how the big idea is that how the light turns the energy into, how light gets turned into energy for the motor is just, it's basically just all about the resistance of one of the sides of the parallel circuit. If the resistance reaches a certain point, it'll open the gate of the transistor and allow current to get to the motor. And that's it. Thanks for listening.